So Black Friday has come and gone.
I mean, it's kind of been here all month long. It's 2020, I'm very confused.
And maybe over the course of the sale, you picked up a brand new Apple Watch. I've seen the Series 3 was on sale for like $120. The Series 6 was on sale for between $330 and $350. I have been wearing a Series 3 Apple Watch ever since Father's Day of 2020, which pretty much makes me an expert on it. So I want to give you a few tips on how you can use your Apple Watch to be more engaged with the world around you.
I know that doesn't make sense, adding the screen to be more engaged.
But trust me, it's possible. I've got 3 steps to get you there. The first step is to embrace the honeymoon period. If you got a brand new device, especially if you've never had an Apple Watch or a smartwatch before, you're going to want to learn everything about it. You're going to want to install every app. You're going to want to find new games. You're going to want to try the different workout things you can do with it. You're going to want to try sleep tracking. And I encourage you, do that now. Get it out of your system. You might be overwhelmed at first, and you might be underwhelmed afterwards by just exactly what it can do. For me, the Apple Watch had become a utilitarian device. I use it to do a few specific things, and to do those specific things very well. My second tip for you, limit notifications. Digital minimalism, I guess you might call it. Basically, after I tried everything that I wanted to try on my Apple Watch and was getting alerts constantly, I decided that what I needed most from my Apple Watch were alerts about things that I needed to do right now. And most of those pertained to communication. So I went into my settings and I turned off every notification that wasn't communication. So I left on text messages, Facebook Messenger, my work email, alerts, and timers. This will be a very personal subject for you. So just look through your list of apps and just try turning a few things off. I promise you'll be okay. And my third tip for you is to use custom watch faces. And I want to show you some of the watch faces I'm using. So let's jump down to the table. I pretty much use 3 watch faces, and they're all pretty simple. The first one is my most interesting, I think. It's my night face. All my text is red because red is easy on the eyes at night. On this screen, I have the date and time, obviously. I have the weather for the day ahead. I have my home automation icons, and I have a setting to change alarms. On my second screen, whoosh, are my favorite photos. And this just pulls from any photos on my phone that I've favorited, put a heart on, which are typically photos of my kid. And I wear this when I'm out of the house, when I'm away from my family, when I just need to know the time from my watch. But I also get this cool glimpse of my life and my family and my child and my wife. And it's just a little glimpse of happiness. My third face is the numerals face, just the big, bold colors. My favorite colors, blue and orange. And that's just simply to tell the time. Everything after that is just stuff that I'm playing with. Analog watch face. I also have a list of upcoming to-dos from Things 3, as well as a quick timer, which I love to use when I'm cooking or barbecuing. Some people really love the Siri watch face. To me, it doesn't really provide anything helpful. Oh, this is a kaleidoscope of my kid's crying face. That's my favorite. These practices help keep my phone in my pocket and my attention on my work, on my kid, on my family, wherever it needs to be. So thank you. You what? Sorry to hear that. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video.
Hope you found it handy. Oh, that one's maybe reaching for it.
And if you like this content, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Productivity Test Kitchen, and if you click the bell icon, you'll get notifications when we post new videos like this. See you in the next one. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.